Hello and welcome to another Roblox development tutorial. Today we're going to be learning how to make developer products and how to implement them into your game. As always, this is a beginner tutorial, but if you do have any questions, please join the link in the description for the Discord. Just a quick word of warning, this is just an example project. This might not be exactly what you want in your game, and it's important to add your own logic to start and end the developer product handling, but the actual developer product handler that we use in the video will be the exact same. So first things first, open up your project or create a new project. Make sure that you can see the Explorer panel, Properties panel and the Output panel. If you can't do this, go to View tab at the top and just make sure they're all selected. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to create a script in Script Service, and this is going to be the player manager. In this script, we're just going to create a simple leader stat for the player to hold the coins whenever they join. If you don't know how to do this, I've got a tutorial on my channel dedicated to just this itself. We're going to create a screen GUI and name this Coins GUI. Create a text button and call this Buy button. You can style this however you like. I'm just going to do some basic styling for now. Then create a local script within starter player scripts. We're going to call this script GUI handler. And then using the player service, we're going to get the local player and the player GUI and connect the GUI to the button. We're then going to connect the button activated event to a test print. Here I did make a typo, so just make sure you go back and change that. If we go into the game now, you can see that when you press the buy button, we get a test print coming up. Now it's time to create the developer product. We're going to go into the game settings, monetization, and then we scroll down to the bottom. And then create your developer products here and set your pricing. Add the product ID to the GUI handler. Create a folder called Remotes within replicated storage. Add a remote event to this folder. Name it Prompt Dev Product. Connect the remote event to the GUI handler. We're then going to create a script in Script Service and name this Dev Product Manager. For this, we're going to be using the Marketplace service. Connect this to the remote event that we just created. And then we're going to prompt the products using the player and the user ID. So if we're going to test this, you can see that when we press the buy button, the prompt comes up. We can buy it, but if we do buy it, we don't actually get given the coins. So to add this, we're going to set up purchase handling. connect this to the process receipt. We're going to get the player from the receipt using their ID. We're then going to use the coin's product ID to check if the coin's product was purchased. Then just increase the player's coins. If we check this in game, you can see that the coins now increase when the product is purchased. We can also buy this multiple times as well. This is because it's a product and not a game pass. If you found this tutorial useful, please do let me know. Like I say, if you do have any problems, please do join the Discord and the link in the description. Thank you for watching, I'll see you later.